In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate into English with Google Translate. We will walk through it slowly, so even if this is your first time using Google Translate, you can follow along without any stress. On your computer or phone browser, open Google Translate. If you prefer, you can type Google Translate into your search engine and click the first result that says Google Translate by Google. Once the page opens, you should see two large boxes side by side, with language names at the top of each box and a clean white area below for text. Now look for the option that says Text near the top of the page. Click on Text. This makes sure you are in the basic text translation mode, not in the camera or documents mode. When text is selected, the area below will show a blinking cursor on the left side, ready for you to type or paste your content. Next up, set the language on the left side to detect language. Click the language name shown above the left text box to open the list of languages, then choose Detect Language from that list. When Detect Language is active, Google Translate automatically figures out what language your original text is written in. If you already know the language, you can scroll the same list and pick it directly instead, for example Spanish or French, which can sometimes give slightly clearer results for very short text. With the left side ready, set the right language to English. Click the language name above the right text box, then scroll or search until you find English, and click it. You should now see Detect Language or your chosen source language on the left, and English on the right. A small double arrow icon between them lets you swap directions in other situations, but for this tutorial, just keep English on the right. After that, enter or paste the text you want to translate into the left box. You can type it by hand, or paste copied text using your usual paste shortcut. As soon as your text appears in the left box, the right box will usually fill in automatically within a second or two. Longer text can take slightly more time, and you may notice a small spinner or progress indicator while Google Translate works. Finally, read the English translation in the box on the right. You can scroll inside that right box if the translation is longer than the visible space. If you change or correct anything in the left box, the English translation updates almost instantly, so you can tweak the original until the meaning looks right. For short phrases, you might also see alternative translations or example uses appear under the main result, which can help you choose the wording that best matches what you need. You have now translated text from any language into clear English using the Google Translate website. If this walkthrough helped you get a good English translation, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple how-tos.